So I'm going on the site, and actually they delivered the rest of the sliding door. So this is the sliding door for the kitchen. So now they are going to install the frame in the kitchen kitchen area. So I'm looking forward to install the frame. The window installer, they are installed the sliding door, and the rest of the worker are working on the finishing and the wiring stuff. So now I'm here on the site, and this is it. So someone's finished to put the a primer epoxy. It's color black. So this is the update for the house. Hi guys, so I'm here on the site, and I want to see what they're doing. So actually the foreman and the other helper, I mean the welder, they're putting the spandrel in the rough way. As you can see, so they're putting the spandrel ceiling so they can remove the scaffolding. So once they are finished on the spandrel, so they're going to remove all the scaffolding there. And they still need to work the ground here once the house is all done finishing and other stuff. So the punches are finishing. Hi guys, good morning. So for today's video, I'm going to the City Hardware, which is located in Carcar, Cebu. So see ya. Anyway, I rent this truck so they can load the tiles that I'm going to buy in City Hardware. So see you soon. Now I am on the way to City Hardware, and I'm looking forward to get the tiles. So here I am. So finally we're just arrived here in the City Hardware, and I'm going to pick up the tiles and the rest of the So this is all the different kind of types of tiles. So actually I choose this color, this one, and I choose this color for the flooring. So I choose the color beige, the glossy one. That tiles is for the up and down. So anyway, I paid 100 plus thousand, and yeah, so this is all the tiles that I purchased here in City Hardware. It's a lot, as you can see, and they are going to load that into the trucks and to bring it to Barrelis. So I just pick up the tiles and they're putting so I just rent that bongo, that minivan there. I rent it for 2.5. The reason why I rent that, so I can pick up all the tiles for the house. So saan mo na ron? I bought a tiles for flooring and the bathroom flooring and the bathroom wall and also the terrace and also for the dirty kitchen. So the tiles is here. So finally we're just arrived here. Hi guys, I'm here on the site, and actually they are working on the spandrel ceiling. So I'm gonna show you. So the foreman is working on the part of the spandrel ceiling. So this is the update for the house. So this is all the spandrel, and I choose the color white. And this all the tiles, and yeah. Draw. So they're just finishing here, and they're still working on here. The only a CR. This one is only the CR. There's no shower on here. So, and this one is all done. They're working in the finishing in outside. So they will come back here later because they're gonna do overtime, and just like last night. So looking forward to finish this.
Welcome, boss. Kami dapat dyan. Iya, nagabalik kayo din ng balik.
Hi guys, so I'm here on the site and I'm going to show you what is the progress for today. So the progress is today they are done working on the spandrel ceiling, and remove the they remove the scaffolding. So this is it. I'm going inside. Let's see. So they're done working on the spandrel, and finally it's all done. So someone's working on the finishing at the
Wag mo ko itong kaloy.
ay diha ni mo itaod ba? So I'm going upstairs, and actually they are working on the ceiling here in or stairs. So I'm going to show you guys. Are making this scaffolding for the so they can reach the ceiling here, so they can work here. And actually they already putting all that plywood there for the ceiling. And this bedroom too, they are done working on the ceiling. And this and so the bedroom one are also done putting the ceiling. So the house is almost finished also. And also the back. No, they are done putting the ceiling. So I'm gonna proceed to the master bedroom. Wow. So they're putting a tiles here in the master bedroom. So this is it. And the ceilings are all done. And so that lights I ordered in Shopee. This one. So I need to buy more lights. And also the bathroom ceiling, the master bedroom bathroom ceiling is done. So all I need to do is I need to buy the toilet bowl and the lavatory and also the shower, because I want to put a shower here. So I'm gonna put a shower and I'm gonna put the lavatory here. And yeah, I need to design this master bedrooms here for with my own rooms. As you can see, and the view. Look. Try. It's very interesting. So this is the update for the house today. So all they have to do is to continue this, and they have to continue to put the tiles all the way here and also in the bathroom. So this is for the update for today, and see you in another next day.
Andi, ano sa lang kaya pag ikoy tao opra ba? Ikon nung gaan at balik ya.
Tagang sumbas pandren.
Apel kita ni pintaguan.
Kaya ka tong anak lagi nang balik ka ng gas. Kasi ba?
Ini kuan Rio.
Hinog no. Green puno lang lahit na kasi kuwan kay green. Katila kay green. Hinog no. Bon, Kamot.
Ang ring, ang ring.